Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you what was inside concerning aerials on these controllers. These are the controllers for the red and green WLToys 144-001. The red one, which you can see I've clearly marked red, therefore making this the green one. The red one's the older one, the green one's the newer one. But the red one keeps on going out of range, and it's not really that far away that it's going out of range. This one can go much further, so I was wondering if there's a difference inside. So, easiest way to find out is to take it apart. First things first, battery's out. I'm hoping that I can get into this relatively easily. Because it does look like, I've noticed sort of at the side here, that it's sort of separate from the rest, but we'll soon find out. Okay, let's have a look at the red one first. Oh! Zoom in on that. I assumed, obviously incorrectly, that the area would be going up and sort of around here, but as you can see, it sort of stops there. I don't know a lot about RC antennas, to be honest with you, so if you know more than I do, can you write in the comments below why it's not a longer antenna, and does it need to be? And can we actually extend it if need be? There's that one. Let's have a look at this one, see if they're different. Nothing. Absolutely nothing inside. What is going on? I think I've been ripped off. So how is this one going further than this one? This was supposed to be a very quick video, but now I'm obviously going to have to take this one apart and find out where the aerial is. Have they just forgotten to push it through? Which I find very hard to believe, but let's go. Put all the screws for the handle there. Ah, of course, the sticker at the top. Oh, I don't particularly want to damage that, but it's not a sticker, it's a piece of glass. Aha! Well, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Quite a revelation. This one is in here, and this one they've decided to stick along the inner edge. And you can see it's quite a bodge job. So, they are obviously aware of a problem, and they've chosen to stick it along there, which is probably why this one is getting more range than this one is. So, should I do the same to that one? I think I should. I think I should. How interesting is that? And these cars were bought literally a day after each other. we need to get this one off, which obviously I need to do very carefully. There we go. Simple. There we go. So they had it mounted across like that, I believe. So I think I will do the same. I just need to heat up the hot glue gun. I'll do that right now. Okay, I'm back. I played the video back and just made sure that I was going to put it in the right place. I was going to put it down here, but then of course that would affect the accelerator. So they have it mounted here, which makes sense because then it's sort of pointing forward out rather than sort of up. But I want to make sure that unfortunately my glue gun, okay, let me rephrase that. My pink sparkly glue gun of my wife's that I've just nabbed has only got this left. I don't know where she keeps the other one. So I'm hopefully going to do this in one go. Really? Obviously trying to keep this away from my fingers. Oh, that could have been better. Whoops. Okay, tweezers time. There we go. And that's the last little bit. Right then. So interesting that they have in fact made a change. So they are obviously aware that there is a problem. Okay, I'm happy with that. So, get my mobile phone out of the way. Just make sure that the cable doesn't get caught anywhere it shouldn't. All working. Excellent. Let's get the batteries in this one. So it's clear. If you own a 144001, open your controller and change the position of the antenna, because that will make a difference. Excellent. Okay, I will go out now with my son and we will just make sure that they've got the same sort of distance and obviously report back. Hello everybody. Okay, we are now doing the distance check to see if the repair on the antenna on the controllers is any better. But first we need to make sure that both cars have the same voltage. So this one is the newer green one. So if you can just hold that in position. We have red and come on. 8.39. Right, you can just put that one down. And then a black and red. Follow it up a bit so the camera can see. 8.38, so they're identical. Right, my son is now going to walk down the hill once we've turned both of them on, and I will be doing the steering and we'll see how far he gets before they go out of range. In theory they should be identical now. So let's turn on both controllers and on both cars. Excellent. If you just pick up both now, we'll just make sure that both are working. Excellent. We've done it so that both aerials are facing as upwards as they can, and I will be obviously where the aerial is now positioned, I will be pushing them forward like that as well. So, you walk.
Yep.
Now.
Okay.
Hold on one second. Maybe we'll do the mobile phone.
Probably.
We're going to do the mobile phone. Okay, now my son is setting off walking. I can talk to him with a mobile phone. I didn't want him to walk too far without the mobile phone on, so. You have to walk so heavily, you noisy kid. Okay, if you stop there now, Colin. Turn around so that we can see you. Both working? Okay, keep on walking. It definitely went out of range long before that, before the red one did. Stop there. Turn around. Lift them up. Are they working?
No.
Neither of them are working.
Oh, one works. Hey, they both work.
They do, but you've got lifting them quite high up now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just, if you just stand there for a second, Colin, I'll pan back. Walk down a little further, Colin. Stop. Turn around.
Yep.
Both working?
Yep.
Excellent, keep on going. This is so much better than what it was the last time. Stop.
Yep.
Okay, watch out for the lorry. Go on to the inside, please. There you go. Keep on walking then. Let me just zoom in a little bit, Colin. There you are. Okay. Ready? Ooh.
One's moving.
Which one?
The red one.
So now the green one's the one that doesn't have the distance.
Yeah, they're both not working now.
Okay, walk back towards us a little bit. Which one's working?
The green one. Okay. The green one works.
How about now?
They both work.
Excellent. So that's quite a distance now, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, come back then. So as you can see, that's quite a distance that they both work now. So obviously, by moving the antenna from here to basically pointing forward is giving it a lot more distance. So I suggest everybody does that as well. Have a great day. If you like the video, hit the like button. Waiting for the traffic. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care. Bye-bye.